So this euro dollar analysis for Monday, the 21st of May. Now let's just have a look at whatever price is and where price may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards this 1771, brief bullish bounce up towards the 1830, from which we had a rejection, posted a lower high. Had prices test the 1771, trade slightly below it down towards the 1750, from which we did see the buy side momentum come back into the market, breaking above the 1771, but now failing and starting to head down towards that 1728. Now let's just have a look at the levels here to the downside. So if we were to see a breakdown towards this 1728 and we weren't able to hold support for a bullish bounce, we're looking for a move down towards a 1710, and from that 1710 we're looking for a move down towards that 1612 here on the euro dollar. If however we do turn around from where we are at present, the 1728, we're looking for a test of the 1771. If we do break and hold 1771, we're then looking for a move up towards that 1830. From 1830 we're looking 1862. In around 1862 we do have the daily confluence of a 200 period moving average as well as the horizontal level, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that level. Now let's just have a look here at the higher time frames and just to see how prices are developing here on the euro dollar. So we head over to the monthly chart, and as we can see here on the monthly chart of the euro dollar, after forming a bit of a base here, we've had a move upwards, brief pullback, strong move in towards that 200 period moving average on that 125 level. We weren't able to break the 200 period moving average and a confluence at 125, from which we have seen the sell side momentum return to the market, and we do appear to have had an acceleration in momentum so far this month to the downside. So we do seem poised to go down to our previous swing lows in around the 116s here on euro dollar, from which we could see a bullish bounce, potentially form a head and shoulders pattern and see further sell side momentum. If however we do see the bullish bounce and we don't fail at let's see where the head and shoulders possibly failure point is, failing in and around the 121. Yeah, in and around the 121. So if we do see a bullish bounce from the 116 and we don't fail around the 121, possibly looking for a move up towards that 125. But if we do fail at 121, looking at potentially a head and shoulders pattern, and could see further momentum here to the downside on the euro dollar. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly time frame, and over here on the weekly time frame of the euro dollar, we can see here that we've had a flag pattern breakout, posted a higher low, strong move here to the upside in towards a 400 period moving average, went into consolidation, did appear to be forming a bit of a bull flag. I did expect the move to be to the upside, but what we have seen is a breakdown in momentum, pretty strong breakdown, series of bearish closes. I've not had a bullish close for a couple of weeks now. We've had a strong close to last week, momentum closing near its lows, and we do seem poised to go to retest our previous swing here in the market. Now let's just finally have a look here at the daily charts. Over on the daily chart of euro dollar, we can see here we were in a bit of a consolidative range on the euro dollar. The first signs of potential weakness were we decided to post lower highs, from which we did break out to the downside. Didn't see much of a reaction towards the 200 period moving average, tested from underneath, had sell side momentum, brief pullback here, posted a bit of a pin bar, and we've seen the sell side momentum over the past couple of days also follow through. So far today we started pretty bearish, and we do seem to poise for another bearish day. So we'll see how prices react towards that 1710. But ultimately, if we do break down from there, we're looking for price head down towards this 116 level here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.